Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another birthday entry for you today, and this is entry number 34, and this is coming from Miriam Ferris. And let's get into it because wow, this is the second entry for today. My stuff comes late, so I do all the video recordings as they come in, so it's already late in it. Well, it's actually already dinner time, but that's okay. Let's pull this gorgeous entry out. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. She got the eyelash trim. Wow. Okay, we're gonna use this, so I'm gonna try to do my best to just pull off this washi. She's got it on here with the washi, so thank you so much, love. Wow. All right, let's flip this over, get into it. I love this washi. Oh my gosh, perfect for Halloween. So wow, thank you so very much. And then this donut pen. Wow. Ooh, Dollar General. I've never seen this pen before. Thank you so much for sharing that with me. All right, Miriam. Let me move that to the side. We got more room to play. Let me just fix that real quick. Whoopsies. Sorry, guys. All right, here we go. And let's open this baby up, guys. Oh my goodness. Purple and blue, so beautiful. Oh my gosh, let me move that to the side. Let's see her card. It says a boss and hello, note taken. Oh, like a boss. Cute washi, girly. Miriam, are you a planner? Because this is super cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, well, there goes that. There it goes. So I was trying to save it, but okay. Did myself in. There we go. Look at her card. That is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so glittery. I love it. Her makeup is beautiful too. Hello. Let's see. Hello, crafty friend Eileen. I pray that you are well. Thank you for your support to my channel and your friendship. Happy birthday. Here I send my entry to your birthday giveaway. I hope that your day is filled with love and many blessings. Wishing you an awesome and super fun birthday. I had a blast creating for you. Lots of love, Crafty Butterfly Fairies. Ah! Thank you so much, beautiful. Look at that. You are awesome. Thank you for joining. Ooh, this is her memory decks. Ooh, let me not look at that one first. Look at this one here, guys. Beautiful paper. So she made her own policy envelope, and she has one of the Hobby Lobby girls. That's gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Ooh, nice. And I can use it all over again. Let's get into this one. What in the world? Oh my goodness, girly. What? You did not have to do that. Look at her beautiful mix. Oh, she's got some dewdrops. Look, I remembered what they were called. Dewdrops. This is beautiful. Oh, I love the iridescent and the peachy pink colors in the mix. Look at that. That is beautiful with the dewdrops. That makes it extra scrumptious, don't you think? Let me see. Let me move back a little bit. There we go. She also gifted me some embroidery floss, well, embroidery thread. And this is Crafter Square. I've never seen it at my Dollar Tree. Thank you so very much. Perfect for Halloween. Black, orange, yellow. Thank you, thank you. So thoughtful. And she also gave me double-sided tape. What? 3D projects. These are perfect. Oh my goodness. Thank you very much. Oh, Lord have mercy. So here is her beautiful memory decks card. Look at her bag topper. She has this gorgeous eyelet on the top. It looks like it's a punch, like an edge punch. Beautiful. And then she has this gorgeous die right here with her beautiful golden lips. And it says, kiss, kiss. OMG. Is that Marilyn? Is this Marilyn Monroe? Who are you, gorgeous? Oh, yeah. Oh, so she put her info on the bag. Crafty Butterfly Ferris. Patrice. Oh, is that what it is? Oh. All right, let's see. So this is her card. Let me see if we can move it off of here. She's got it on foam dots. So let me see. Yeah, perfect. We can take it off. There we go. All right. So she has You Are Beautiful. And I think this is Marilyn. Marilyn. With the gold sequin thread on here. I don't know if you guys can see. The thread has some gold sequins on there. You see that right there? So very pretty. And she's got a rosette in the background. And You Are Beautiful on top. And I love this very simple background, but it's gorgeous for her. Her gorgeous girl. I guess it's Marilyn. I'm not sure. But that is beautiful. And then she has her info in the back in the little pocket. And let me see. Crafty Butterfly Ferris. And the Instagram name is the same. Crafty Butterfly Ferris. Her date of birth is December 20th. Ooh. Very nice. December baby. My daughter's birthday is December 23rd. So awesome. And then she has her name, Miriam. She is from Rhode Island. She loves shabby, girly glam. And her favorite crafty items are bling, bows, butterfly, and birds. Oh, that's so awesome. And then her favorite colors are pink, black, gold, silver, and burgundy. Wow. Black and gold on this theme for today. So gorgeous, Miriam. Oh my goodness. I love it. And then her info goes right back in her pocket. And all the important stuff does not show, and all the visible stuff. There you can see her info right there. So beautiful, just like you, sweetie. Thank you so very much for all the extra goodies and also for participating in this lovely giveaway. Good luck, and please guys go check out her Instagram and also her, did she say YouTube? Yeah, her YouTube. I don't know. Yeah, I said her Instagram. It's the same. Duh, Eileen. Check out her Instagram and her YouTube and show her some crafty love, guys. Now is the time to support those small channels that want to grow. All these beautiful ladies are also either on Instagram or on YouTube and trying to grow themselves. So please participate, subscribe to their channels, and follow them on Instagram. Thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.